In the world of technological revolution, researchers are making plans for future airspace with advanced air mobility. In this video, we will see the top 4 future aircraft concepts that will amaze you. Let's get started. Flying V. The Flying V, a futuristic and fuel-efficient aeroplane that could one day carry passengers in its wings, has flown successfully for the first time. The passenger cabin, cargo hold and fuel tanks are all located in the wings, and experts anticipate that the plane's aerodynamic shape will reduce fuel consumption by 20% compared to current aircraft. Experts tested a 22.5 kg 3-meter scale model of the futuristic aeroplane. This V-shape produces less drag than a standard plane and also aids in weight reduction. It is designed to carry about 300 passengers. It has 2 fuselages connected at an angle as opposed to typical passenger planes, which has wings that stick out from the center of the tube-shaped fuselage. It uses a new concept of cabin design for more passenger comfort. Researchers managed to take it off at a speed of 80 km per hour. More tests will be performed on the model, and the team hopes to provide the Flying V with sustainable propulsion, given that the design lends itself to carrying liquid hydrogen rather than kerosene. Pulse Embraer. It is an elegant joint-wing twin tiltrotor transporting a spacious pod with plush seating for up to 5 passengers. Embraer Design OPS has created the Pulse concept, a futuristic vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Because of potential advances in glass technology and see-through alloy materials such as transparent aluminum, the company is planning for future technologies that will allow the creation of a smart, all-see-through passenger pod. With smart glass and an all-see-through pod, passengers will be able to enjoy spectacular views while flying or driving, allowing them to have a better traveling experience whether working or relaxing during the trip. Its bubble form ensures travelers have a 360 degrees view of the world as they move. It is using the concept of a cabin being a removable pod which can be transferred to a ground vehicle and vice versa. Passengers will be able to transfer from the aircraft to a ground vehicle and back without leaving the pod if the passenger compartment is housed in a pod. The target market entry date of this aircraft is 2070. Varialift. Varialift has created an airship using groundbreaking and innovative patented technology. It is an all-aluminum airship. The design overcomes traditional airship limitations, allowing us to offer a mass-produced, dependable and cost-effective range of heavy-lift airships. Its design allows it to be more efficient, durable, reliable and safe. It is a one-of-a-kind craft that allows cargo access to remote areas with no infrastructure for a fraction of the cost of cargo helicopters. It can operate in strong front and crosswind conditions. It can fly at 250 to 350 km per hour. It will cost 80 to 90% less than the equivalent payload aircraft to purchase and operate. It will need no airport infrastructure or ground crew, operates on a very flat space, and will use vertical takeoff and landing. It burns 80 to 90% less fuel than equivalent aircraft. Researchers say that it can have at least 40 years of working life with no helium loss during normal operations. Airbus ZEROe. Airbus' goal of developing the world's first zero-emission commercial aircraft by 2035. The multi-year demonstrator program has been officially launched, aiming to test various hydrogen technologies on the ground and in the air. It will carry 4 caudal liquid hydrogen tanks and a hydrogen combustion engine mounted along the rear fuselage. It uses blended wing body. It will be having a capacity of fewer than 200 passengers. The ZEROe aircraft from Airbus is expected to allow the company to experiment with various configurations and hydrogen technologies. These concepts are really amazing, and we are waiting for these aircrafts in the near future. So friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the next amazing videos. Thank you.